Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to Mani's Kitchen and Gardening. You can see it's almost about to rain. Nice clouds has formed. Yesterday also it rained very heavily, and here one of my ridge gourd is ready for harvesting. I will harvest this, and here two dragon fruits. They are almost trying to change its color. And here this one, it bloomed 2 days back. This also will form a fruit, and one more here already you saw. I harvested two more. So beautiful cosmos flowers. Oh, it started raining, you can see. Brinjals, and 3 Guavas. This is kg guava ready for harvest. So one more here. More and more chilies. These are sky facing chilies, and these are normal ones. You can see ridge gourd, bitter gourd, papaya, and lots of ivy gourd too. I will harvest and I'll show you. And beautiful roses, you can see. And these are black nightshades. I used to eat like that only. Tastes really good. It's very tasty. Pumpkin in the formation, and here also one more ridge gourd. Wow, these are butterfly weed, momon butterflies. They tend to feed on this plant, and they form here only. Beautiful butterflies they are indeed. Look at the vibrant color. Oh my god, it's too pleasant. Treat for my eyes and those who are watching too. Here these motu brinjals, the other variety. You can see these are ready for harvest. 3 are there. Sweet potato patch. Again chilies everywhere. Look at the bougainvillea flowers. Beautiful they are. Here also one more color. This is one more variety brinjal. You can see turmeric plant, and this is one variety of beans. You can see some curry leaves too. I will harvest now. So come, let's harvest. And this is my vegetable bucket, friends. You can see purple long yard beans, green one is also there, ivy gourds, enough for 5 ivy gourds, that is almost half a kg. And look at the size of the guava fruit. And also I got brinjals, this bitter gourd, and ridge gourd. This is enough for almost 3 days, because weekly thrice, as I told you, I am harvesting. So even you too can harvest, friends. Hope you liked my video and start your own kitchen vegetable garden on your terrace. If you have space, you are blessed indeed. Those who don't have space, you can have your balcony garden also. You can grow creepers like this, and this also a creeper, and bitter gourd, ridge gourd, everything is a creeper, so you can grow very easily. So hope you like my video, friends. Thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe my channel in case if you have not yet subscribed. Have a great time. Bye bye, take care.